Hey guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Speaking of celebrating and decorating, today we had the honor of decorating the blue, pink, and white ball for Jack and Jill, for the Huntsville chapter of Jack and Jill. So if you guys don't know anything about Jack and Jill, I will leave a link down in the description box so that you can check out the information about their organization. It is such a positive organization for our young people, and I always enjoy decorating for them for their ball. Now, for this particular ball, their colors are pink and blue and white, and so all of the decor is in alignment with their logo and their colors for their organization. And so I'm going to share with you guys the different aspects of each room, and then we'll go into the ballroom. So right now we are in the teen room, which is kind of a lounge area for the teen, and I'm going to share with you guys everything in this room. Hold on. Okay, so this is we're at the botanical garden, and so these are the lights, and they are battery operated. You can find these on Amazon. And then on each side I have the florals and the couches, and I have the pink rug and also the pink and blue pillows. And so I love. Let me fix this flower here. I think it probably goes in here somewhere. Okay. And you guys remember the pink flowers that I was telling you guys about from Rose Morning? And so these are the flowers, okay? And I just added them in here because I wanted to add that pop of pink. And if you remember, this is a great way to add a pop of color to your, and these are the open pink flowers we got, the open pink roses, and these are the closed. And so I will leave a link down below for you guys. I got a total of 200 of them, but you can get, I got 100 open and 100 closed, but they come in sets of 50. So you can get 50 open and 50 closed. And so this is just the table. Not sure, I don't know, a foil centerpiece would have been nice on here, but I already had a lot of flowers, so that's what we did there. And then here are the cardboard letters. And then on the back, they're battery operated. So you can just switch it on here. And then you can't really see it all that great right now, but they'll light up more the later it gets. So I'm gonna switch it back off. Okay, so this is the teen room, the lounge area, and they have candy and all sorts of things in here. So this is the lounge area. Now over here, the botanical garden keeps like china and things like that in there. I love this china, by the way. It's pink and blue. Y'all see it? It's so pretty. If anyone knows the name of that china, let me know. I'll show you. I love that pattern. But over here, the volunteers put up the candy bars for the children. So I thought that was really cute. And they're all over, the little candy bars. And all the candy is also pink and blue. All right. So this is the entryway when they first come in and to the grand hall. We have the tree, and you guys know how much I love this cherry blossom tree. I have it in white and in pink, and if you guys are interested in it, I will leave the link down below. Super easy to put together as well. So the mom volunteers also did the candy table in this room with the treats, and here it just shows all of the sponsors for the candy table. And they also have allergy warning. And I thought they did a really good job. And this is for all of the children. They also have some really cute bags for them to put their snacks in as well. Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online. And here is the ballroom. The chairs, I absolutely love them. They came with the botanical garden. And then I'm going to show you that drapery, and the flower wall is actually another place that we added in the extra pink flowers. I did a lot of variations of centerpieces in this room too. A lot. I did low, tall. I did the triangle centerpieces, candles, 5 different types of bling centerpieces. So a lot of variation. And we added this at the base of the speaker area. And then here is what I mean by just added in. So this is something you can do with your greenery wall or your white flower wall. Just add in. We just added in the pink. You see that? And we switch between the open and the closed. And the lighting looks amazing. So, and then the draping just really adds to the overall look. So we did like just plain white draping in the middle and the flower wall in front of that. You see that? So it's actually 2 different things. It's 2D. So this is the draping, and then this is the flower wall. And remember, the flower wall zips in the back and ties. So it's 2D. Again, so let me show you all the different centerpieces. So this is a tall. Okay, so that's one type. Then we have the low ones. That's 2. Then we have the triangles. I shared these on Amazon. I love these. And that $199 price, that was for 2 of these. So that's 3. Okay. Then we have the bling. That's 4. Then we have the floating candles with the bud vases. That's for 5. And if you're paying attention to the details, the table numbers match the napkins. So that matches. Okay. Here's another So this is 6. And then this is the crystal centerpiece. I love that. And this centerpiece here makes 7. Okay, you guys, so I did have time to count them all, and I used 10 different centerpiece variations, and I'm going to leave those down in the pinned comments down below. But I absolutely love the way that the entire room turned out. It was absolutely beautiful, and you guys let me know your favorite centerpiece down in the comments below. I'll see you at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!